Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online classes. Okay. Today we will discuss about the second chapter, integers. Okay. I know already you have studied about this chapter. You have got knowledge about this chapter. Okay. This is only a revision for this chapter. Okay. Clear? So, what is the integer? Integers क्या है? Before integers, we must know about numbers. What? Numbers. What are the numbers? You know? Anyone? What are the numbers? No? Tell me. Okay, just wait. Numbers. Numbers means counting techniques. Counting techniques. Suppose some objects or books or copies are given in bundles, okay, in more quantity, and I say count it, either find out the total copies, total books, बहुत सारी books, copies, या suppose बहुत सारी toffees रखी हुई है, okay, then I say anyone come here and count these books or copies, or tell me the number of copies, or tell me the just total copies, total toffees, how much. So what you will do at that time? You will start counting. Okay, so numbers are what? Counting techniques. Clear? Okay, जब भी हमको कोई चीज काउंट करना होता है, clear? So we will use the number. Now, types of number. कितने तरह के होते हैं नंबर? Natural numbers, natural number, okay, whole number, prime, okay, integers. And so on. Natural numbers started from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Natural numbers. Whole numbers started from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are whole numbers. Prime numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, already you know, because in lower class it is given. What are the prime numbers? Means those numbers which are divisible by 1 or itself, जो केवल 1 से या अपने आप से केवल डिवाइड हो. Clear? Now, integers. What are the integers? Integers consist some negative number, some positive number. It means here -5, -4, or dot, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. All the minus numbers and positive numbers are integers, are called integers. Okay, all the minus numbers and positive numbers are called integers. Clear? 0. What about 0? 0 is also number, but neither positive nor negative. 0 is 0. Clear? So these negative numbers is called what? Negative integers. Negative integers. These positive numbers are called positive integers. Positive integers. And 0, neither positive nor negative. 0 is 0. Clear? Okay. How we can represent the integers on the number line? कैसे इसको हम नंबर लाइन पे इंटीजर इसको रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? ठीक है. सो यू सी हियर हाउ वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट द इंटीजर्स. क्लियर? इंटीजर्स, ऑल द पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, ऑल द पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, नेगेटिव नंबर्स एंड 0. ऑल द पॉजिटिव natural numbers, okay, negative numbers and 0 are called integers. Clear? So how we can represent? integers on the number line. Representation. कैसे इसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? सो ऑन द नंबर लाइन इन सेंटर फर्स्ट वी विल राइट 0. सेंटर पे क्या लिखेंगे? 0. लेफ्ट साइड इधर लेफ्ट राइट. लेफ्ट साइड वी विल राइट द negative integers, okay, and right side we will write the positive integers, okay, and gap difference between two consecutive integers is same, that is the 10 small column, or you can say that you can suppose 1 centimeter. So here we will represent all the negative integers left side, and right side we can represent all the positive integers. Here left side negative, right side positive from the 0. From the 0 के left side में you will write the negative integers, and 0 के right side में you will write the what? All the positive integers. All the positive integers. Clear? Distance between any negative integers from the 0. 0 से किसी भी negative integers की distance है is same as distance of any positive integers from the 0. जो यहां से यहां तक की distance है वही यहां से यहां तक की distance है. Clear? This distance between 0 and -1 is same as distance between 0 and +1. Distance of any negative integers from the 0 is same as distance of same positive integers from the 0. मतलब कि जो distance यहाँ पे किसी इंटीजर की 0 से राइट साइड में होगी वही लेफ्ट साइड में. क्लियर? ओके. We know that now about successor and predecessor. Predecessor means just we will add 1 to find the predecessor of a number. मतलब किसी नंबर का अगर हमको predecessor फाइंड करना है तो उस नंबर में हम 1 ऐड करते हैं. क्लियर? predecessor. क्लियर? सपोज फॉर इंटीजर्स, सॉरी, predecessor के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे और सक्सेसर के लिए हम 1 ऐड करेंगे. क्लियर? we want to find the predecessor, so we have to subtract 1 from that number. If we have to or we want to find the successor, then we will add +1. Okay, 1. Suppose integer n is given, so for predecessor, for successor n plus 1, successor n plus 1. n plus 1, and for predecessor n minus 1. Predecessor n minus 1. Okay, so for predecessor n minus 1. Clear? n plus 1, n minus 1. Suppose we want to find the predecessor 5. हमको 5 का predecessor निकालना, मतलब इसके पीछे वाला नंबर. So we have to minus here 1. We'll get. Clear? Okay. We have to find the successor of 6. So you have to add here successor. Predecessor, successor. Clear? Okay. Now. Absolute value of integers कैसे निकालेंगे? Absolute value how we will find the absolute value of an integers? Suppose, so for the absolute value we represent integers in 2 parallel lines. Mod, absolute, or it is called mod. Okay, it is called mod. Absolute value. Clear? It is called mod or absolute value. So here we write the number. Suppose we have to find the absolute value of 3. So it becomes same 3. But absolute value of any negative integers becomes positive. Suppose -2. So it becomes 2. So absolute value of any negative number becomes always positive. Absolute value of any positive number is always positive. Here, how will you find the absolute value? Now, we will discuss about some properties or comparison of fraction. All the positive integers greater than 0 and all the negative integers is always less than 0. The first property, all the positive integers are always greater than 0. जितने भी positive integers होंगे वो हमेशा 0 से बड़े होंगे. Here, see here, 1 greater than 0, 2 greater than 0, 3 greater than 0, and all the negative integers is always less than 0. Always less than 0. All the positive integers is always greater than negative integers. कोई पॉजिटिव चीज होगा वो नेगेटिव से ऑलवेज ग्रेटर होगा. लाइक दिस 5 is always greater than -2. Either 5 is always greater than -10. Means all the positive integers always greater than all negative integers. Clear? Okay. Next one. If two positive integers given. If two positive integer is given, 2 and 3. So which one is greater? दोनों से कौन बड़ा होगा? Which have the greater value? Which have the greater value? But in case of two negative integers, if two negative integers are given, -2 and -3, then which one is greater? Which have the less value? Which have the smaller value? Smaller absolute value. So here -2 is greater. अगर दो पॉजिटिव नंबर दिए हुए हैं, so which one is greater? Which have the greater value. But in case of negative integers, अगर दो नेगेटिव इंटीजर दिए हैं तो कौन सा बड़ा होगा? जिसकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू यहाँ पर वो छोटी होगी. एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू वो छोटी होगी. That is called greater. Clear? Okay. So this is the smallest, or you can say that short view of integers. What are the integers? Absolute value of integers, successor and predecessor. Now we will proceed to the exercise. Clear? How we can represent integers on the number line and how we will find the absolute value. So exercise 1A. Write the following sets of number in segmental and tabular form. Represent them on the number line. जितने भी नीचे एक्सप्रेशन दिए हुए हैं उनको आपको सेगमेंटल और टेबुलर फॉर्म में लिखना है. इंटीजर्स ग्रेटर देन -4. सपोज सेट ए ग्रेटर देन -4 से बड़ा. ओके. सो -3, -2 एंड लेस देन 1. 0, -1, 0, less than 1. Integers greater than -4, okay, and less than 1. And one more thing, we can represent the integers, okay, by a letter I or Z. It means if any number belongs to natural number, either whole number, it is also integers. Also integers. अगर कोई नेचुरल नंबर है या होल नंबर है तो इंटीजर होगा, आइदर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. क्लियर? ओके. सो सेट ऑफ ऑल इंटीजर्स ग्रेटर देन -4, लेस देन 1. हाउ वी राइट इन सेगमेंटल फॉर्म? x says that x belongs to I integers in between -4 and 4. In this way you can write in segmental form, okay, and roster form. Clear? Next part you will solve. You have it out. You can ask or you can comment in message box. Okay, comment section. Second one. Next one. Second. First question, first part. Second one. Fill the blanks by using this or this sign. So see here, sixth part. Absolute value of minus 15 dash. Here we have to put the sign. Absolute value of 17. We know that now. मैंने आपको बताया absolute value of negative number is always positive, becomes positive, and absolute value of any positive number is always positive. So this becomes 15 and this becomes 17. So which sign here you apply? Here two positive number are written ना, तो इनमें से कौन सा बड़ा या छोटा या बराबर है? 17 greater than 15. So here you apply this sign. Clear? Okay? यहाँ पे आप ये sign लगाएंगे. So first you will convert or you will write the absolute value of given integers. Same way you can solve seventh one. Seventh one given minus 17 minus of absolute value of 15 dash in bracket 17 plus 15, then you will find the absolute value. So आपको क्या करना है? Absolute value find. So first you will solve this expression. Then you decide here which sign comes. This one or this one. यहाँ कौन सा sign आएगा? तो see here absolute value of minus 17 becomes positive. Absolute value of 15 positive. Now here dash here first minus 17 plus 15. Minus 17 plus 15. So here 17 minus 15 2 dash minus 17 plus 15 minus 2. Here minus 2. So absolute value of minus 2 is 2, always positive. So what sign will come? We'll put here this one equals. This sign equal. Both equations are same. Clear? Both equations are same. समझ में आ गया? तो same you will solve the problems. Arrange the following integers in ascending order. We know that now all the negative integers always less than positive integers. All the negative integers always greater than 0. All the positive integers always greater than. All the negative integers always less than 0. All the positive integers always greater than 0. Clear? So on the basis of this completion, you can write this following integers in ascending or descending order. Clear? And next, fourth and fifth, you will try to solve. Okay? You have any doubt? Tomorrow we will discuss in next class. Thank you, students. Okay? Please write this or solve these questions of exercise. Okay? In your copy. Clear?